Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello. My name is ShannAbel. For today's makeup tutorial, I'll be doing a Raya makeup look for you guys out there, especially who's celebrating Raya. If you guys are interested in learning how I did this makeup look, then keep on watching. Hi again, loves. I'm first gonna be applying some primer from Cyber Colors. This is the mattifying one, and you can find this at Sasa. Anyways, I'm applying it all over my face so that my makeup will last forever. Moving on, of course, I'll be doing my brows. Okay, funny story, it's been a year since I didn't use like an eyebrow pencils, and I'm used to use brow pomade, so the process was very painful to watch, and it feels like I don't know how to do my brows, lol, but I promise you guys it will get better. Oh, if you guys need more in-depth brow tutorial, no worries, I have it on my channel, so and then I apply foundation starting from the center of my face and blending it out using a beauty blender.
This ain't a song about empowerment. My sisters already got that, you know what I'm saying? I dedicate the song to my sisters. Muslim girls around the world, I'm standing.
Sometimes you don't really need a concealer if you're using a full coverage foundation, but in my place, I just need to highlight my under eye, chin, bridge of the nose and forehead, and blend until you got no more energy. Next, to set my face, I'm using the Pupa Translucent powder. This is my first time of using it, and it's just meh. Then I'm using my Bahama Mama from the Balm to bronze/contour my face. Guys, don't worry if it's get messy on the cheek, because we're gonna clean it up later on. You know when you got a big face and you just have to bronze like 55% of your face? That's me. And yeah, don't forget the double chin because you want to look skinny on the picture. Moving on, apply some pinky blush. Mine's from Tarte and I'm using the shade called Montage if I'm not mistaken. For this look, I just put just a little bit of blush because our eyeshadow look is already dramatic, so we're just gonna put less, you know. And don't forget the nose if you want to look cute. I should have done this earlier, but I'm contouring my nose now because somehow I forgot. Then I'm going intense for the highlight, guys. I'm using the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. Okay, now we're cleaning up the mess that we made. This is optional, but if you guys wanna, you know, that sharp looking contour, then you can do this step. I'm also gonna prime my lid using the same concealer. Now we're moving on to the eyeshadow, my favorite part. So this is all the shade. I got this for about like a month ago, and this is me trying to figure out what kind of eyeshadow I'll be making. Alright, taking the shade called Butter, just kidding, Butter as this transition shade. Sorry if it's too far, but I'll zoom in a second. There we go, much better. Next, I'm taking an orangey red shade which called Hunts in the palette and tapping the shade on the outer corner and blend it out using the first brush we used for the transition shade. Transition shade. Why is it so hard to pronounce? Yeah, I've been wanting this eyeshadow palette in such a long time. I got scammed at first and they took my money, and then the second time I finally got it originally from Cupcake Aisha, and I'm so happy. Next, I'm topping the eyeshadow using the Cranapple shade and apply it on the lid. To deepen up the eyeshadow look, I'm taking the shade Jack Z and putting it on the outer corner and then blending it out. Also, some of the eyeshadow brushes are from CS Makeup, so if you guys want to check them out, the link is in the description box. And then for the bottom eye, I'm just gonna repeat the same step as how I did previously. Alright guys, I think the bake is done now. It's time to pull it out from the oven before it hangs. I'm gonna be applying some falsies because the process is very painful to watch, so BRB. Then I took the shade in Light and Beam as the brow bone highlight and for the inner corner. To finish up the look, I'll be taking the shade Loving from the Balm Matte Mini Lipstick. It's so cute, guys, and it lasts a long time even after you've been eating a lot of rendang. I say it sticks. I'm gonna set my makeup using the MAC Fix Plus, and we are finally done.
360-degree reality, sunset beach. I don't need HDTV. I want the real thing, living off a dream.
Right, I think that's all, and I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoy making it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, I think that's all. And I just want to wish you guys a Selamat Hari Raya or Happy Eid Mubarak to all of you guys who are celebrating Hari Raya. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!